जय श्रीमन्नारायण 282nd नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामं। ओम चंद्रांशवे नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, you always have such a wonderful, pleasant, glorified tejas, effulgence you have. Whoever remembers you, the very next moment, they will be freed from all kind of worries because of your pleasant rays flowing from you to them. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Chandramsave Namaha. Om Chandramsave Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, when Sumantra told Bharata that Guha is coming to meet you, immediately Bharata said, Sumantra, please send Guha inside. Then Guha, along with his friends and relatives, went inside, had Bharata Darshanam, did Namaskaram to Bharata, and saying that, Oh Bharata, you please treat this entire place which is under my ruling as your own place, just like your backyard. This entire place, you can be so freely, you can move around here in this place. Oh Bharata, we didn't know that you are all coming here, otherwise I would have made all kind of arrangements for you. Oh Bharata, please treat this place as your home, and please treat me as your servant, and then you can ask anything that you want. I shall arrange everything. Also Bharata, I am going to arrange the food for all this entire army. Like that, when Guha said Bharata with so much of happiness, saying that, Oh my dear Guha, I realize that you are the best friend of my brother Sri Ramachandra Swami. I am very happy to see you, Guha. Also, I am very happy that you wanted to give food to the entire army. O Guha, after this is all done, tomorrow morning we would like to go to Bharadwaja Ashramam. Can you please show us the way to reach Bharadwaja Ashramam? Then Guha is saying that with a folded hands, Guha, he is saying that, Oh Rajaputra Bharata, definitely I am going to send few people along with you. I will also go along with you. But one thing, Bharata, I would like to understand. You know, I know that Rama never ever, even in dream, would wanted to give any kind of pain to anyone in this entire universe. He would never hurt anyone. Such is Ramachandra Swami. Now I would like to understand, why are you going to Rama? Is there anything evil thought that you are carrying towards Rama? Are you going to hurt Rama? Kachinna dushto vrajasi Ramasya aklishta karmanaha. because I have seen so much huge army you are going along with. That is why Sankam Janayati Vame, that is why I am getting doubt on you. Like that Guha asked Bharata, but Bharata did not get upset. Bharata also did not get angry. But with so much pleasant mind, Bharata is now responding to Guha, saying that, oh Guha, please do not doubt me. I would never ever hurt my Rama. I cannot even dream that kind of situation. I cannot even imagine that kind of situation. O Guha, Rama is my eldest brother. Pitru Samomataha, not only that, he is like a father to me. O Guha, I am coming there. I am going there to bring Rama back to Ayodhya. Please help me. Like that, when Bharata said, Guha felt very happy. Bharata repeatedly saying that Satyam Bravimite, please trust me, please believe me, I am telling you the truth. Like that, when Bharata said, Guha felt so happy, and now responding back to Bharata like this. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 30th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vojastejo Dyutidharaha Prakasatma Pratapanaha Ruddhaha Spashtaksharo Mantraha Chandramsuhu Bhaskaradyutihi. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Chandramsave Namaha. Om Chandramsave Namaha. Om Chandramsave Namaha.